In this lesson, we're going to look at how you manage sales on your EzyCourse platform. Now, you can find the sales functions in the EzyCourse dashboard under Deals and Sales. Now, the first item we'll look at is orders. And in this page, you can see your total orders and the amounts that you've collected, and you can see that in various different payment processes. You can see individual orders and you can view the detail of them, and you can filter this page by dates as well, and you can also filter by different types of products. Now, the pre-orders section is where you can actually take pre-orders for courses. So let's say, for example, you're developing a course and you know that you're going to complete that by the end of this month, so you're ready for making that available to people next month. Well, there's nothing to stop you selling that course today on what we call a pre-order, and you can set it up that people can pay for that course today and either make payment today, or they can actually say that they're going to buy that course and you can take payment when the course is released. So there's a few different options there in terms of pre-selling courses, and in the pre-orders section, that's where you would be able to see those pre-orders coming in. There's also a purchase requests section. So you've seen on the accessibility settings that you can set some courses up so that they have to be approved before they can buy it. Now, in the purchase request section, that's where those approvals come in, and that's where you would either accept or decline them. In the checkout statistics section of your EzyCourse platform, this is where you get some real good intelligence around what's happening in your checkouts. You get to see the people that have visited your checkout, the conversion rate of that checkout, and all manner of other different information that's useful intelligence for running your online business. So the sales functions on your EzyCourse platform are very powerful. They give you a lot of intelligence and help you to manage the sales of your online business.